All right, as we head into the overnight hours, we continue to see some gray and soupy skies over the Southern Valley. As we take a look at that radar, we have snow in southern Canada stretching through the Red River Valley and then out to the west into northern parts of North Dakota tonight. Now, we do have a little bit near Jamestown, but the healthiest batch of snow focused right on the Grand Forks area right now in the Highway 2 corridor, stretching down towards Findlay and Northwood and moving through Grand Forks into western Polk County at this time. That's where we're likely to see the loftiest accumulations where this band has set up. Right now out at Hector, we have no snow. It is 8 degrees above zero still with a north-northwest wind now. It's blowing under 10 miles per hour and it's 1 degree warmer at Moorheads Airport. 10 degrees for Gwinner, 3s pretty much company for most up there in northeast North Dakota. And how about Detroit Lakes, still sitting at 19 degrees. Grand Forks, you are at 5 and it is 20 in Baudette. So we still have some south winds through the Southern Valley, but here in Fargo, north winds, and that's the case as well in the northern counties. And most of us now seeing those winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Here's your forecast. Wind plays a role because as we go through the overnight hours, our snow will pretty rapidly work its way through. And a lot of us have fresh, flaky, fluffy snow that will blow quite a bit in the winds. So accumulating snow as we go through the overnight, mainly up north of Highway 200, temperatures that will be either side of zero and closer to 10 out in Lakes Country to begin the day. But all these blue arrows indicate a northwest wind that'll already be gusting around 20 miles per hour in the morning. As we head toward the midday hour, the wind is persistent and it increases in the Southern Valley. Temperatures staying fairly steady through the morning hours. Notice not much new snowfall. So there will be blowing, there will be drifting, and there will be slippery spots on roads through the entirety of our Thursday. Look at the strong winds in the afternoon, really focusing from the central and southern Red River Valley into southern Minnesota and the I-94 corridor. Those winds could gust closer to 30 or maybe even a few spots to 40 miles per hour. After temperatures reach those single digits to around 10 degrees, we are off to some chilly temperatures for the evening. Now, snow from tonight and into tomorrow on top of what we've got, an inch to maybe upwards of 3 inches in places up near Lake of the Woods. For our southern counties, there will be a chance of a few flakes, really just a dusting or trace, most under a half of an inch. Start your day off with 5 degrees and kind of see the temperature flutter around that point throughout the day. But really, as we get into the afternoon, those northwest winds will start to usher in some cooler air as temperatures do a little bit of a free fall for your evening on Thursday. And that forecast might have you saying, "Doe!" All right, here's a great deer shot. Bruce sending this from South Fargo. Thanks for uploading your photo at valleynewslive.com. Okay, after your cool day on Thanksgiving with quite a bit of a breeze, we'll see very chilly temperatures Friday morning, but we've been worse, right? And as we head towards Saturday, a quiet start to the weekend, 10 degrees for the high. Notice this, above the 0 degree mark all day on Sunday. As that warmer air punches in, though, it'll come with a few flakes. Right now, it looks very light as we begin our work week with 4 degrees. And then that Arctic air mass we were talking about earlier in the week looks like it puts the brakes on at the Canadian border. And that should allow us to enjoy temperatures maybe even a little warmer in some spots than 20 degrees on Wednesday. Maybe a great day to get out to the beach.
Yeah, where's the closest beach?
Well,
kind of
there's a lot of
here.
lakes, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.